Tourism is important to our economy. This we all know. But how can we increase the benefits to our entire society? We have to sustain this vital industry by respecting our environment, keeping our landscape clean, lawns trimmed and free from debris, planting trees and conserving energy. Go green for a more beautiful Antigua and Barbuda. Preserve our culture. Research, document, and engage in the development of cultural activities. Elders, impart your knowledge to the youth and our visitors. Create unique cultural experiences. Keep culture alive. Activate and coordinate local community groups. Boost community tourism. Generate economic activity within suburban and rural areas. And enhance community infrastructure. Buy local, support local, and promote local. Keep tourism sustainable and it will benefit you, me, everybody. We all have a part to play.